everybody, my name is Taranjot of class 9 and today I am going to explain what is swarm technology. So, swarm technology is basically there will be a master who will be followed by a slave. So, you know that ants have a master and the ants will follow around their masters and the workers will follow around their masters. The same thing happens here. The robots will follow their master, the master. If we push forward with the robot, the slave also goes forward with the robot. It is used in military and drone purposes, etc. This is very important for us because it can be used in rescue services, etc. So, I'm here to give you the examples of swarm technology. This is the master robot and this is slave robot. So, the slave robot obeys whatever the master robot does. For example, I will just push this master forward and as you can see the slave also follows, and I am just gonna push it backwards and the slave does the same thing, and rightwards. So, you basically understand that the slave does whatever the master does. So, these both are connected with each other through Bluetooth, and we can code this out however we like. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Arvind Sunil and I am from grade 9, and today I am going to be talking about a 3D printer. In our day-to-day life, we come across various projects where we require models or prototypes that are pretty difficult to make ourselves, and that's where a 3D printer comes into play. A 3D printer makes making prototypes or models way easier. First, we have to input a digital drawing in a software called CAD. After we input, we need to make the digital drawing go through a process called slicing. We have to provide XYZ coordinates for the machine to move, and so we convert the XYZ coordinates into G code or machine code, and then it's read by the 3D printing machine and is printed accordingly. It uses stepper motors to turn or move forward with accuracy, and this is how a 3D printer works. We use different filaments for different purposes, like plastic for basic models, chocolates in bakeries, steel and iron for bridges, and cement for buildings. I like to conclude by saying a 3D printer makes a very big difference in the way we make or shape things. So, we are able to experience this exposure and this type of experience from Evolve Robotics. My heartfelt thanks to Evolve Robotics in this project. Thank you.
Hey guys, good afternoon. We the students of Sree Gokulam Public School of 9th grade here to explain about the new technology.
And we are learning this new technology with the help of Evolve Robotics. And here today we are here to explain a new project we are working with. And myself Devika, and this is my friend Naisha.
This is an AI project called Animal Detection, which is used to help forest authorities to alert any danger caused by the living. So Devika, would you like to explain about this program?
Yes. So there will be a camera which will identify a human and the animal activity, and if that causes any danger, a notification will be sent to the forest authorities. Naisha, would you like to explain this in a bit more program way?
We program it using Python and computer vision. Using YOLO, a dataset is created. This dataset will recognize the living. So, as Devika said, a notification will be sent to the forest authorities.
And we would like to thank the robotics team to helping us with this project. And without the Evolve Robotics lab, we wouldn't be able to learn about this. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. I am Remin of class 9, and today I am going to talk about a project which we had done earlier in Evolve Robotics lab called the self-balancing robot. This robot can balance itself with a sensor called the gyrosensor. This gyrosensor, which we are going to study in physics, helps to understand the orientation. For example, if the robot is going to fall down. If the robot is going to fall down, it goes to the same position as it was before. And another sensor called the ultrasound sensor. For example, you can take a bat. A bat and understand how far an object is with ultrasound waves. Like that, we can take this ultrasound sensor and it stops from a few meters away from the, for example, a wall. This then it goes back to the same position which it belongs from, as you know earlier, from Joe and Tuhin, RTP. So this also helps us to learn about maths and science in a more creative way. In Evolved Robotics Lab, I had so much fun making this project, and we learn about maths and physics in gyros sensor and maths in ultrasound sensor. Thank you and have a great day.
Hey guys, so we the students of grade 9 made this electing machine for our school election, and this is the project we did together. And so the program is, this works mainly with any void, and we program the void with C+ program, and when there are buttons connected to it, switches, and there's a beeper which will get on when we press the switches. So if we press, and the end, we will know the winners, the total winners while opening, and we will have a final button which will press after the election, which will display the final results. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone.
Myself Joe.
And I'm Tohi.
Today we are going to talk about a drone.
Not just any drone. This drone has a great impact in our medical industries.
In the sense, this drone can help us deliver medical supplies and deliver blood samples.
It is built with a GPS.
And most importantly, if the drone is critically low on battery, it can return to the launch point.
This mechanism is known as RTA.
In conclusion, this drone can help make our lives much easier, especially in natural disasters. Therefore, we conclude the session. Thank you.
Thank you.
We were learning about electronics, we were doing about programming, and so we're going to make some robots, right? So basically, we have lots of robotic models here. It's a demo, so I don't know what to say. So, okay, somebody asked you what is electronics? Branch of physics that deals the flow of electrons. Tell me what is robotics? Robotics, the machine that must obey our command, isn't it? The machine that must obey our commands. Okay, so while creating a robot, there must be a brain and there must be some sensors and we must do the programming, right? Okay, tell me what is AI? Okay, simply we can define the ability to think and to take a decision, that we call it as intelligence. Intelligence is nothing but the ability to think and to take a decision. Clear? So AI is clear. AI is nothing but we are replicating the human intelligence to the machine. We are replicating the human intelligence to the machine. Is that clear? Okay. So robotics and AI, the definition must be there. Okay. Then about electronics. So branch of physics that deals the flow